Good morning, everybody. Welcome, guys, to Trade Confident. My name is Travis Martin. We're going to go over the charts today, the indicators, as well as the metrics for Polygon. Guys, did you watch the ADA video? Can I show you guys a little sneak peek if you guys aren't going to watch this? A trader made $43,000 on ADA recently. Can I just show this to you guys real quick? I know this has nothing to do with Matic, but I just had to show this to you guys because it's ridiculous. Guys, ADA and EOS are going nuts. I wanted to let you know I used your metrics, trend exhaustion. So trend exhaustion, price for swell, money flow. I made $43,000, about $373,000 worth of ADA on the 19th, and cashed out on the 22nd for $416,000. Once I got into profit, I was able to write it up using stop losses like you have shown us. I actually did a masterclass showing you guys how to use stop loss and how to literally master this market. This guy down here he's been doing $100 to $400 a week on average. This is insane, guys. This market's turning around, and we're going to focus on Matic today, but I wanted to show that to you guys. This is crazy. This is ridiculous. Let's come down here and pull this out. People who just bought in February are going to be millionaires. Seriously. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying to look for it over here. I mentioned this back here. It's part of the reason why I shoved in like $49,000 into the market back over here, and we're just writing this up here. I should call this out in Telegram. This market, guys, could just keep on going. It's not going to go straight to the moon. I never want to say that, but let's take a deep dive into this. We're currently at 112 wins and 0 losses. We're about to win our 13th, 14th, and 15th, 113th, 114th, 115th win on Avalanche. So let me show this to you guys real quick. Those of you guys who are not following us, get the membership, guys. I'll call this out for you. We're going to win these. Avalanche is very close to being the next trade. We've got Decentraland, Mana, which is going to be very close to the next trade. And then we have Matic, which is what we're talking about today, which will probably be our third trade. Look how close these are, guys, to the break-even entries. And then we're going to get back in the trades and ride this back up. We've never lost a trade. Let's dive in. Retail trader indicators. All of them are green this morning. Now, I know they're green. And, guys, the emotional index is sitting into the excited area right here. This is a time where you need to be okay with the market dropping down. Guys, our account is doing really well over here. We're only down, I was calculating it this morning, we're down 3.4%. 3.4, and a lot of other people are still down about, I would say about 40 to 45% right now. They were down around 60 to 65. We even have testimonials of people, of their friends down 65% when they were up thousands of dollars. We're only down 3.4%. We've regained $27,000 in our account. $27,000. I never thought I would be actually like saying this on YouTube. We have regained $27,000 in the last 11 days. Here are my coins, guys. If you want to know which ones we're in, heavily in Cardano, heavily in EOS and Dogecoin. Okay, guys, EOS and Cardano. EOS and yes, Cardano. Those are my top two picks for 2022 for the biggest movers. Absolutely, no doubt. I'm not going to change it. Okay, and EOS, guys, is off the radar. Millions of dollars flooding into EOS. Watch the videos I've done. That's a sleeper. If I had to put money on the biggest winning coin, I know this is Matic, guys, but let me give you this because this will help you. The biggest winning coin of 2022, I really do believe is EOS. If you guys take a look at this, and I'm not going to do a video today. I'm sorry it's a side tangent, but if you guys are here to make money on YouTube, let me show this to you guys. EOS is absolutely exploding. From March 13th, guys, this has gone up here about 29%. That's awesome. It has so much more potential, I believe, than possibly even Cardano because of how low the structure is and how high we've been in the past. If you look at all-time highs, EOS has actually a lot higher to go for all-time highs than ADA. ADA, by the way, guys, is just a ridiculous coin too. It's our number 2 holding. This is up close to around 50%. We're at now 50.96%. Absolutely insane. Let's go back to Matic. I know you guys click on this thumbnail for this, but I'm just showing you guys little extra things. This is a great coin, but ADA and EOS, not bad. All right, price for swell, money flow. Trend exhaustion. This is going to tell us how to predict market moves down and up. Well, why? Why am I so confident about that? Well, you take a look at trend exhaustion when it's got to the high sections here before, and well, money flow is high. What's the market doing, guys? It's dropping back down. Trend exhaustion is high in the top red section. Well, money flow is high. Is it going up? No, it's dropping back down. Look at this over here. Excuse me. Trend exhaustion high, well, money flow high. Literally, it called the drop before Putin declared war on Ukraine, which was this night over here. Trend exhaustion high, well, money flow high, looking for that move down, and that's exactly what we got. And then taking this a little bit further, look at this. We've got barely a higher high over here, well, money flow heading down the same duration as well as trend exhaustion moving down. We saw a massive drop. Not only are these two indicators calling these drops, which the guy used to actually make $46,000, was these two indicators. You guys will also be knowing the scalping strategy we have when the market is anxious and fearful. Let me show you this. Everybody who looked at this over here, excuse me, guys, let me take a water break real quick. So sorry. I'm trying to continue to make it like a flawless video on YouTube, but I'm just going to be honest and real with you guys. I need a drink. All right. We're family over here, right? So let's get back in. Those of you guys who know the scalping strategy we're using with the indicators, we have an overall strategy, which is called the trade confidence strategy, where we've literally never lost a trade. That's the 112 wins in a row that you guys see over here. We've never lost a trade, 112. We do have a faster scalping strategy that I taught you guys in the masterclass, and I'll show you how to access that. This is a stripped down version. When the emotion of the market is anxious and fearful, which is right around here on this dip, you guys are just looking for trend exhaustion to push to the bottom red section, and as well as well money flow to be low. And you guys are looking for 3 to 4% profit. Now, I know sometimes it's going to go higher than that, but if you guys scalp this, you can literally do 3 to 4% over and over and over again. Like, look at the historical data of this. It's insane. If you guys want a scalping strategy, get these 2 indicators in the description. By the way, all of our indicators in the bundle pack is 84% off right now. This is the lowest price we've ever had it, guys. We had it back on Black Friday. We had the price here, but we upped our indicators. This is literally, let me say it a different way. We will never have our indicators lower than this price. They'll never be lower than this. So you have 7 days left to get our indicators. This is how the dude actually did $43,000 over here. I'm not trying to turn this into a big sales video, but seriously, guys, he did $43,000. This guy down here has been doing $100 to $400 a week on average. Okay? Using our metrics and our indicators. It's pretty amazing. Snag them. You guys don't want to miss that. I'll show you how it's in the description, but I'll show you a little bit later. I want to get into the metrics right now to give you guys value on this video because I'm curious what they're going to look at too. Okay, emotional index is obviously high. Market cap strength, guys. Market cap strength is moving up here by the millions. I say this a lot on the videos, but if you haven't heard me say this green line literally cannot move up unless money is coming out of other altcoins. I believe right now where money's coming out of is Bitcoin and these two guys right here. You know them very well. They're the stable coins, Tether and USDC. Money's flowing out of these because people are now seeing that the market is taking off. And people are like, oh, I'm going to make my 10% per annum on staking ADA when I could have made 50% since in the last 11 days. Guys, people are like, forget staking. We're putting our money over there. Now, I know some people are like, okay, if you stake down here, you're also gaining the value of ADA too. I understand that. But there are some people who are like, I'm getting back into this market. I'm going to start trading again. And let me show this to you guys as well. Let me do this. I want to just give you guys even more value on this if you guys want to see this. Go to USDC.D. Look at this. USDC.D. Look at how much money is moving out of USDC right now. I'm trying to prove, I'm like saying this, but I don't want to say it without proving it to you guys. Money is absolutely flowing out of stable coins and it's moving back into the market. This is why this market's getting so bullish right now. Let's continue back down. Trades in favor. Yes, we're pushed up into the good short trade area. And guys, I would not doubt if the market sees a drop back down here soon. For Matic, you need to put this on your charts. You need to look at 170. 170 for Matic is where we're most likely going to see a drop. And it's probably going to happen next week. I would guess maybe Wednesday or so to give us enough time to actually move back up here, if not sooner. Trend exhaustion this high, guys, literally peaked out. Well, money flow this high. What happened last time it peaked out over here? What happened last time it peaked out over here? A drop back down, a pretty fast drop back down. This is the only time up here, like right when we got up here, this is a fast move up and then he moved right back down there. Okay, let's do this again. Where did it come up over here? All the way at the top, all the way at the top, a move back down. Do not be nervous if you see Matic over the next few days drop back down. And what's the support? Let's go to the supports over here. I'll show it to you guys. Real quick, Wealth Institutional Smart Money. What are these guys doing? They're coming out here looking for shorts. They did this over here. The market dropped. Cool, they made their money. Now they're coming and attacking this price again with shorts. I know everybody just wants everything to go up, but I'm not going to be that guy on YouTube that just gets you guys emotionally pumped up here and says, oh, we're going to the moon. Watch my channel. Bye, bye, bye. No, guys. Every single coin, including EOS, including EOA, is going to have a pullback, and I have no doubts we will probably see our account go back down to the top of 139, 138. I'm talking about 138,000, 139,000. I'm okay if this dips back down into the high 139s, 130s, okay? It's because it would be healthy. I'm not here just to say let everything go to the moon. Let's let it come back down to create a healthy higher low formation, get our third touch over here and blast this thing back up. And then that actually is a healthier move, guys, to get back up to $2. You want $2, you have to have a pullback. You have to have a pullback. I'm not selling, guys. I'm holding here, and I'll show you how to do this with patience. I haven't sold anything, guys. We bought down here on some of our coins. Okay, resistance, like I said, we're looking at here at 170. After 170, the greatest resistance is up here at 188. So let's write this down of 188. After 188, structure high up here puts us right at the level of 210. Okay. 170, 188, 210. Those are the levels. Let's keep going here. Those of you guys who are using our metrics to get into dollar cost average entries, good job. You guys are making a ridiculous amount of money. That is where you guys got in. Literally, it went off right here. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Let me pull out the chart here. Actually, oh, it's closing right there. This is 9. You can see it down here. It says 9 right down here. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time is when all these come out. So literally, you guys got down here at the bottom. Anybody who took that entry there, you guys are up 20%. Congratulations. Now what you guys can do is come back over here and watch this metric for exit points. If you ever want to exit your long-term diamond hand holding hodler positions, you can use exit points to look at that. Guys, if you are in the profit right now and you were deciding, should I exit? I would say, I'm not your financial advisor. Let's say that first. But I would say if you're in this trade, I would at least take 50% out if you feel like you want to exit. I'm not exiting. I'm waiting for this bad boy to go up here to get into profit because I have no doubts we're going to hit this 187 level probably within the next 2 weeks. Easily within quarter two, I think we will hit 180, probably $2 in quarter two. Well, what is that? That is January, February, March. Quarter one is done. April, May, June. So April, May, and June, I absolutely believe we're going to target this price of $2. So that's why I'm holding, guys. Let it drop back down to move back up. Now let me show you guys how to get into a trade setup here with Matic, okay? I'm going to show this to you on Bitcoin because I want to keep it private for our members. I didn't even show this to you guys. Let me show this to you first. You guys want to trade it with us? Literally, all these wins right here, we've never lost a trade. It's just $95 a month. You guys are going to get every single entry that I enter into shown to you guys in Telegram. All the coins, all 12 coins, whenever there's a new entry, I'm going to give you guys a Telegram notification. Every time I exit a coin, you guys are going to get notifications of that. You'll get access to all the masterclass videos that teach you how to scalp. We're going live next month, April on the 14th from 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific time. We're going to get together as a family. Again, we're going to do a Q&A session. We're going to hang out together. And you guys get a full metric suite on top of this to watch what wells and institutions do. This is such a ridiculously cheap price, guys. Just snag it. You will not regret this. It is really, really good. And we've never lost a trade, guys, and it's super, super fun. That and the indicators, that's all you really guys need. Okay, let's move down here. Here's how you're going to trade Polygon today, Matic, okay? You're going to see 4 yellow lines on Matic's chart. It's going to look something like this, okay? Here's how we trade, and we've never lost a trade. You choose the amount you want to enter in with. We're going to, for example, say it's $1,000. Split it into 4 equal portions, 250. Place 250 at each of the 4 buy limits, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I've taught you guys something in the masterclass called an equator. Look at this. Take the all-time high and take the low of any coin and look at the middle. Is the price action below the middle? I would say Matic is sitting like right here. I don't know. I'm just throwing this together, okay? Because it's below the equator, the middle point, you guys, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I'm going to keep saying that, but you can use 3 buy limits instead of 4. The reason for that is because price is so low, I don't think we're going to hit our 4th buy limit. Yes, I do still have the 4th for those of you guys who want extremely, extremely good risk management. But if you guys want to just use 3, which I'm only using 3 when we're below the equator, the halfway point of the top and the bottom, like pretend this is North Pole and this is South Pole, literally the middle, the equator. If you're below that, you guys can only use 3 buy limits, and that will give you guys more money in the market. Once that first buy limit is hit, you guys are going to set a sell limit up. I believe it's close to this area up here around $2, and you guys will just be taken out if we skyrocket. Once this is set up, that's where you guys need to be joining me in Telegram because I'm going to be calling the exits for this. If you enter in right now and you guys just follow me in Telegram, I'm not going to exit this trade until we're up to this structure over here. You guys will do about 15%. Everybody following me on this trade, we're going to do probably close to about 7%. But if you get in right now and just follow me, you're going to make double the amount of money if you just get in with our metrics right now, set up the buy limits like I showed you guys on Matic, and you guys follow. That's all you have to do. And then get the indicators. I'm going to end this video with this. You guys, we will never have our indicators lower than this. This is the lowest price we will ever have for our indicators, okay? The price will never be lower than this. It is 84% off our indicators right now. Click this link, click the link and enter March. Uppercase, lowercase, does not matter. This will give you guys 84% off all of them. This is actually a bigger discount money-wise for the value of it because we up these indicators than what we had on sale for Black Friday. Black Friday, we had a sale. Then we ended up upping these 3 indicators after that, if you guys remember. And now we're doing 84% off that price. This literally is the biggest discount we have ever ran in the history of the business. And you guys, you have 7 days left to grab this, and we are going to be upping the price. Okay? This 31st, March 31st at 5 p.m. Pacific time, I am upping the price. You have 7 days left. Don't miss this.